Welcome to the session where we are discussing the subject solid mechanics. This is the lecture number 7, concept of stress, part 3. So today we will do basically one problem regarding stress tensor. Okay, so the problem is given like this: let the components of the stress tensor at P be given in matrix form by units of megapascal. Okay, determine number 1 the stress vector on the plane at P having the unit normal, this, and the stress vector on a plane at P parallel to the plane ABC. So that means you have to find out the stress vector on a plane that is parallel to ABC as shown in the figure. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, let's try to solve this problem. It's very easy to solve. So problem number 1, by using the relation given below, that is your, so if you use the Cauchy relation, Cauchy stress formula, that is your sigma equal to, sorry, T I n equals to sigma I j n into n. So this is the Cauchy relation. So by using this relation we can solve this problem. Now, so the problem is given, that is Tij. So Ti is basically your, Tij is nothing but your sigma ij. That means this is your sigma 1 or the sigma xx, tau xy, this is tau xy, this is your tau yx. Okay, so these are the 9 stress components, and this is equal to this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Okay, nothing else. So you have the 6 stress components is given. So this stress matrix is given, and you know, so for a particular plane, the unit normal is given, on which you have to find out the traction vector. Okay, so T, so we can write this is the matrix representation of this Cauchy stress formula, that is T1n, T2n, T3n, that is equal to n1 into n3 transpose of n, because this n, the unit normal have 3 components, that is n1, n2 are the direction cosines of n1, direction cosines of this unit normal. So this unit normal is given, and this n1, n2, n3 are the direction cosines of this n. So that is equal to 2 by 7 minus 3 by 7, and you multiply this, that is your 2 by 7 E1 minus 3 by 7 E2 plus 6 by 7 E3. Okay, so these are the direction cosines because it is a unit normal. So this, and this is your matrix sigma ij, and if you multiply and if you do the calculations, so you will get, these are the values, 69, 54 and minus 42. So it is very simple. So this 21 into this plus minus 63 into this plus 42 into this, so you will get 69. So in vector form, this Tn is your 69 E1 plus 54 E2 and 42 E3. So this 69, what is this 69, what is 54, what is 42? The 69, 54, 42 are the component of this traction vector, suppose if you have coordinate like this, this is x1, this is x2 and this is x3. So along x1 you have the e1, along x2 you have e2 and along x3 you have e3. Okay, so that means, so this 69 is the component of this traction vector on a plane whose normal is basically e1. Clear? So that means, so this is the component of this traction vector on a plane which is perpendicular to x1 axis. Clear? Nothing else. Similarly 54, 42. So this vector represents the components of force per unit area on the plane defined by, and this Tn is the any plane whose normal is given by this vector. Now the second question is asked, that is the stress vector on a plane at P parallel to the plane ABC as shown in the sketch. So this is the sketch for ABC and the coordinates given. So we can easily find out the equation of plane. The equation of plane ABC in the sketch easily verified to the, that is 2x1, 2x2, x3 equal to 2. And the unit outward normal to this plane is very simple, that is unit normal outward, that means in this direction, that is your this. Okay, this 1/3 2e1 plus 2e2 plus e3. So that again we can use this relation T1n, T2n, T3n. This is the Tn matrix, transpose of Tn basically, and this is the transpose of n, and this is your sigma ij. And if you do the calculation, this into this plus this into this plus this into this, so we will get minus 41 and minus 77, sorry, so plus 77, and in vector form this Tn equal to minus 41 e1 minus 14 e2 plus 77 e3. So first of all, what is the need? So first of all you have to do that you have to find out the equation of the plane, and on that plane you have to find out the unit normal. Okay. Thank you.